beautiful.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So in today's video, we're going to be installing this new front fairing that I got. We're going to also be doing these side panels. They're kind of like Café Racer racing plates. And then the third thing is we're going to install my rear fender to see how the fitment's going to work with that. Okay, real quick. Okay, real quick, before we get started, I wanted to talk about Super Clean. It's this like awesome biodegradable degreaser and cleaner, which I've actually used in my previous videos. They sent me some free products, so this is just an honest review. I've already used their stuff, so I already know I like it, so I just wanted to shout them out. I'll put their link below. But check them out if you need a good cleaner and degreaser. But anyways, let's get started. Cheers. Yeah, I think that's gonna look pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
How do we do this?
I don't know what I'm doing!
Probably like that. Bruh. That washer just went across the whole freaking garage. Oh my god. Can finally.
That's what she said.
That was stupid how hard that was. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good, and it's like a super easy install for the most part. I struggled a little bit, but I forget how much I paid for this thing, but it was relatively inexpensive. I think it adds a cool look to the front end of your bike. The hardest part of this is like trying to not get a bunch of air bubbles. Actually, that's pretty good. There's like no air bubbles. And then take a knife and just cut this edge here. Alright, fingers crossed, no air bubbles again like last time. If you're wondering the significance of 92, that's the year I was born. 92, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Here we go, boom. All right, now let's put these on the bike and see what it looks like. Okay, so I've got kind of a mounting point here and right here. And I think for now I'm just gonna drill some holes and zip tie. Obviously it will look much better when I actually mount it correctly. It will be back a little bit and it will be more flush. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments if I should put these side panels on or not. Okay, so like I was saying, this doesn't look great because it's not painted, the fitment's not perfect. But once I have the seat installed, it's going to cover all of this. And it kind of comes up a little bit and will sit flush on this rear fender. So once I have it painted, it will look like factory and look perfect. So I just wanted to put that out there because yeah, I mean, I feel like this little gap here looks weird, but it's gonna look totally fine once I'm finished with it. So stay tuned, I promise you it will look better. But yeah, this is all we're gonna have done for today. All right, that's gonna do it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. And if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.